welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how I made this fall blue pumpkin wreath that I made for a friend of mine. She has recently moved to a new place and she's got two blue chairs. I was trying to match something with her accent color and I came up with these blue pumpkins. Let me know what you think about the blue pumpkins. I ended up really liking them. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make DIY and home decor videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm using a chalk paint to paint my pumpkins. This one I got it from Amazon. It has great coverage. Also, I'm using a white chalk paint. This one I got it from Home Depot just to lighten the blue, because I'm gonna use different shades of blue, a dark one, medium, and a light one. As you can see, this color is really having a great coverage. It's covering all those glittery paint. I got these pumpkins, I think it was last year. I got them from Walmart. They came in a package. I'm just trying to use what I already have. You can absolutely use any kind of acrylic paint or any kind of pumpkin. Once I finished painting two pumpkins with this darker navy blue color, adding some white to the paint, and I'm mixing it very well to get a lighter shade of the same color. And I'm gonna paint two more pumpkins with this paint. And once I painted two pumpkins in this medium shade of blue, I'm gonna add some more white to get a very lighter blue color, and I'm gonna paint two more pumpkins with this color. It's the next day and my pumpkins are dried. I'm cutting some floral wire that I got from Dollarama. I'm going to be detaching the pumpkins from the skewer and attach them to these wires, and this is the best way I found to use them in any kind of floral arrangement. To secure my pumpkin to the wire, I'm adding some glue just to make sure that they don't move anywhere. Apart from my blue pumpkins, I have gathered some greeneries and some flowers. I'm not using a lot of blue flowers, even though they are very beautiful, just because if I make it very busy with blue flowers, the attention will be taken away from the pumpkins, and I don't want that to happen. I want my pumpkins to be the center of attention. So for that reason, I'm using some neutral color, as you can see, off-white flowers and a few blue flowers, just to make it harmonious and everything goes well together. add this flower instead of ribbon. I think the colors match perfectly with this design.